This is the RovyVon E10 tiny flashlight that's also very bright, up to 700 lumens. This also has a laser pointer, this has a side light, emergency lights, and at the bottom you have your batteries that you can, check this out, we're gonna unlock this and open them up. And they are rechargeable. They're actual AA batteries, but they have USB-C built into it, so you can charge that, and it does come with the cable to charge it up. It's got a really solid clip to it on the side for clipping onto your belt loop and other ways to clip it if you need to. Great quality build, nice rubber sides for grip. And check this out, we'll hold this down and you get your flashlight. You can use the scroll wheel to make it really bright. Look at that. And you can also turn that off. You have this side light here where you have like the emergency light that you can go through. You know, if you break down in the car and you want to have this thing out so people know this caution. And if you triple tap that, you got a UV light as well, so you can look up, see what you'd use a UV light for in a hotel room or something like that. And over here you have your laser pointer, so you can use this as a laser pointer if you're like, hey, check out that thing over there. You know, you have that button there for that. So very versatile, gives you a lot of things and a little display screen showing your battery status. So great quality flashlight, and I love how small it is. Highly recommend it on your next adventure or just emergencies, and thanks for watching.